This is FlashLoc DUO. This versatile all-in-one mount can be secured to rafters or direct to deck and is compatible with both rolled comp and comp shingle roofs. FlashLoc DUO preserves the roof by eliminating the need to cut or pry shingles, and its triple seal technology protects with a permanent pressure seal. FlashLoc DUO is kitted with all of the necessary hardware and sealant, so you have everything you need for a quick, hassle-free installation. Best of all, it installs fast. Place FlashLoc over the attachment location with the orange sealant port on the upslope side and align the upper edge of the mount with the horizontal chalk line. If attaching to rafters, secure with 2 screws at these locations. If attaching direct to deck, first secure with 2 screws at these locations, then drive screws through these 4 indents. Firmly seat the tip in the port, then inject sealant until it exits the vent. FlashLoc DUO, the most versatile all-in-one mount for rolled comp or comp shingle roofs.